Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We come from the Glass Group. We are going to present about the social media application, and the member is Asra Fitri Rahmat, Eka Safitri, Kansa Fadilah, Rizriani, and Sipa Kamila. The definition of social media. Social media is an online media with each user can easily participate, share, and create a content, including blog, social network, forum, and virtual world. Social networks are the most common form of social media used by people around the world. And the social networking is a site where anyone can create a personal web page, then content with friends to share information and communicate. If traditional media use print and broadcast media, social media use the internet. To access the social media application, it can be done anywhere and anytime using only a mobile phone. How quickly people can access social media as result in a major phenomenon in the fall in the information not only in developed countries but also in Indonesia. And we are going to present YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. The role and impact of social media. The first is as a means of discussion with a broad reach. Second, media for engaging information. The third, as a means of entertainment. The fourth, as a means of communication. The fifth, maintaining good relationship with others. The sixth, gets lots of latest information. Seven, free time. Eight, gain broad insight. And the last, global research. And the impact of news in media social, the positive impact. The first is media is free, makes it easier for us to form social network ranging from old friends, current friends, and the new friends. Can be used for media promotion, advertising, and notification update. Up-to-date information is very easy to spread through social networking sites in just a few minutes after the incident. We have been able to enjoy the information. This is very useful for us as humans who live in the digital era like today. As a means to develop skill and social, by using social network, we can communicate with anyone, even with people we don't know from all over the world. We can use this advantage to increase knowledge and some idea get to know each other culture and characteristic of each region. It can also harm one's language skill. For example, learning English by utilizing the call or video call facilities provided on social networking sites. And the negative impact is education to social network. Sites are harmful to health because triggering people to self-isolate can alter how gains work, confuse immune response, hormone level, artery function, and environmental performance. Lack of attention to family, replacement of social life, makes student achievement decrease. Physical damage is also very likely to occur when using kids continuously for hours every day. Keep build crime as technology develops, so does crime in the internet world. The next will be present with Asra Fitris.
So first is YouTube. Basically, YouTube is a website that facilitates users to share the videos they have or just enjoy various video clips uploaded by various parties. There are various kinds of videos that can be uploaded to this site, such as music, video clips from cartoon musician, short film, television films, movie trailers, educational videos, video blogs belonging to vloggers, video tutorial for various activities, and much more. YouTube itself was founded in February 2005. YouTube headquarters is in San Bruno, California, United States, which was initiated by three YouTube founders, namely Chad Hurley, Stephen Chen, and Jawed Karim. The website, which now contains billions of videos, has grown very rapidly since inception. In 2006, in November, even Google bought YouTube for 101 billion 65. YouTube earns its income from advertisements that are displayed before YouTube videos are played. The ad is called Google AdSense, a program that offers payments based on the frequency with which a video is played. In February 2017, it was recorded that there are videos with a total duration of 400 hours uploaded on YouTube every minute, and total of 1 billion hours of YouTube content are watched by people every day. Next slide, please. So is the tutorial. Sorry, before Siva, sorry, before this slide. Okay, so this the tutorial for create a YouTube channel from PC or via Google account. First, open the www.youtube.com in your browser. Second, click on the right corner and enter with your Google account. Once you log into Google account, in the top right corner, click your account. Select option create channel or create channel. After that, it will pop up the either Google, the channel names, or custom make it up. Pick a custom name so you can choose your own YouTube channel name. Then after that, you enter the name of the channel you want to make, check the terms and conditions, then click the make. The YouTube channel has been created. You can replace profile photos, channel description, and link to other social sites or media. When it's done, you can start uploading your creative videos. Next slide, Shiva. So after you create your channel, first at the top of the page, click an icon, upload a video, select video upload. Then before the video starts upload, you can select a video privacy. Select the video you want to upload from the computer or your handphone. Then you can also import videos from your Google Photos. Then next slide.
Okay, the next slide. I will present about the continue describe about the YouTube. The first is title video, description video, and tag keyword. Jadi di sini itu kayak kita mau buat channel YouTube itu, pertama kita make a title video, what title yang kita mau upload itu, terus deskripsinya kita bisa tulis apapun semau kita di kolom deskripsi ini, dan tag keyword itu maksudnya kayak kita tuh nge-tag ini tuh video tutorial atau video bikin apa gitu, itu bisa, itu terserah kita. Oke, next itu ada Instagram. Instagram is a social network that was born from a company called Burn. which was founded on October 6, 2010. The company was founded by Kevin Syndrome and Mike Kears, who are currently CEO of Instagram. Instagram is a photo sharing application that allows users to take photos, apply digital filter, and share them to various social network services, include Instagram itself. Okay, this is the CEO of the Instagram. The first is Peter. You can look this page. This is profil Peter. And the next-nya itu ada Stephanie, itu CEO juga. Okay, next. Next is Facebook. Facebook, the founder and creator of, you can call this social media, is FB. At first, he met FaceMesh on October 28, 2003, when he was still a student at Harvard in his sophomore years. FaceMesh is the predecessor of FB before it was officially launched. Furthermore, FB was unfortunately launched in February 2004. At the time, its use was limited to social network at the Harvard University. In 2006, FB was officially launched in general. In fact, it can be used by users aged 13 years and over. Since then, FB is immediately known by the wider community around the world, including Indonesia. Okay, the next will present by Eka Safitri.
Okay, this is how to make Facebook on handphone. Go to facebook.com and click create new account. Enter your name, email, or mobile number, password, date of birth, and gender. Click register. For account creation, you must confirm your email or mobile number. Next slide, please. Okay, this is there is save link, friends, save, and other anything. Next slide, please. This is how to protecting your information. Jadi di sini tuh kayak apa ya? Kayak settingan untuk protect akun Facebook yang kalian udah bikin gitu. Terus di sampingnya itu ada banyak explore-nya, ada event, groups, page, friend list, and anything else. Next slide, please. This slide explain about TikTok. TikTok is a social media platform for creating, sharing, and discovering short videos. This app is used by young people as an outlet to express themselves through singing, dancing, comedy, and lip sync, and allows users to create videos and share them across a community. Why is TikTok so popular? In short, TikTok users feel comfortable on the platform and are even excited to engage with one another. Users enjoy their time on TikTok. They are delighted by the unique content they find, and they feel safe expressing themselves with their own content. That all helps to explain why TikTok is so popular. Next slide, please. What's the difference between YouTube and TikTok? The difference is TikTok is largely about video content, which are short videos of around 60 seconds. with most of the videos around 15 seconds or less. To upload videos on YouTube, you need a good camera setup and video editing skills. With TikTok, you just need a smartphone camera and you are all set. And what's so good about TikTok? TikTok provides a framework that makes it easier for people to create, especially if they don't know what else to do. And these creators are starting younger than ever before. For example, the TikTok app gives people tools like filters, control over video speed, access to professional audio, and more. Next slide. And how long are TikTok videos? Videos started as 50 until second clips, grew to 60-second clips, and now 3 minute video may be on the cards and are in testing with certain users. How does TikTok work? Users can film videos of themselves lip sync, dancing, or acting out sketches. How many views does it take to go viral? That is more than 5 million views in a 3 until 7 day period. Okay, the next slide will be presented by Kansa Fadila.
Okay, thank you, Eka. Twitter is an American microblogging and social networking service on which users post and interact with message known as tweets. Regis user can post, like, and retweet, but ungraded state user can only read those that are publicly available. Next, please. The first thing you should do if you want to create a Twitter account, you must go to the Twitter website through your computer web browser. Click sign up. It's a blue button in the middle of the page. After that, you will be taken to the Twitter account registration page. Under name, type a name into the name text file and type in your phone number. Enter the number in the phone file. If you want to use an email address instead of a phone number, click the use email instead. Link under the phone field, then enter the email address you want to use. Next, please. Okay, next, you must click next. It's in the top right corner of the page. Click sign up. This option is in the middle of the page. And the last, confirm the email address used. If you use your email address to create a Twitter account, you will need to confirm it at this stage before you can try Twitter's advanced features. Open the inbox at the email address, click a message from Twitter, click the confirmation link in the email. Next, please. Oke, di sini ada benefits of Twitter for learning. Nah, menurut Greenhow menemukan bahwa Twitter can help the learning process, especially teaching how to think critically, quickly, and write short and dense sentence. Jadi, menurut Greenhow, Twitter ini bisa membuat siswa itu bisa berpikir dengan kritis, dan mereka juga bisa cepat menulis kalimat pendek dan padat. Dan yang kedua, when the teacher is explaining the material, then the student tweet about the lesson according to their understanding, just like writing in the school notebook. After that, they can discuss using hashtag or, for example, English for discussion of learning subject. Nah, ketika guru sedang menjelaskan materi, nah siswa ini setelah pelajarannya, dia itu bisa men-tweet apa saja yang guru tadi sampaikan. Nah, dari tweet yang dia post di Twitter, ini akan menjadi sebuah pembelajaran baru untuk teman-temannya yang berada di Twitter tersebut, dan hal ini juga akan membantu mengingat kembali pelajaran-pelajaran yang telah diberikan oleh guru. Nah, ada juga benefit Twitter untuk pembelajaran itu seperti ada beberapa akun yang menjadwalkan tweet di hari-hari tertentu, dan mereka itu biasanya men-tweet pelajaran-pelajaran yang biasanya diajarkan di sekolahan. Jadi Twitter ini juga berfungsi nih untuk pembelajaran di sekolah. Okay guys, that's our presentation. If you have any questions, please ask we in the class session or through the WhatsApp group. And thank you.